and in this video I will show how to connect your computer to a printer. To begin, click on the Windows icon on the bottom left corner and then go to Settings. Once Settings is open, go to Devices and Printers and Scanners. Click on Add a Printer or Scanner. If the printer you are searching for is not appearing, then click right here where it says the printer that I want isn't listed. Once it's clicked, this window will open up. Before proceeding, make sure that this option is selected. Then click on Next. Once you clicked on Next, the entire printed directory of Fowler School District will open up, showing you all the printers that are district-wide. The list is long, so we will have to narrow it down. You can narrow down your results by either typing in the name, the location, or the model. I will type in the name. I will use Santa Maria as an example since that is the campus I am located at this moment. As you can see, once I hit Santa Maria, all my search results have narrowed down. I will use the room 300 building as an example. So to open up the printer, double click. As you can see, successfully added the printer. Then click Next, and it'll ask you if you would want to print a test page to test your printer. If yes, then click on Print a Test Page. If no, then click on Finish. Once you hit Finish, you will be completed connecting your printer to your device.